Alright, so this is Kahoot. Kahoot can be done on your phone, it can be done on an iPad, Chromebook, tablet, laptop, any way that has internet. This is mainly towards teachers and students. On this website, you can go ahead and discover different pre-made quizzes already, or you can create your own. And so I'm going to show you one that I've already made. So here's this one. Sorry I didn't title it yet. But I'm going to get on my phone and I'm going to play along if I can find it. So I'm typing in Kahoot on my phone, and I don't know why it's deciding to be weird, but it says play Kahoot, and it's gonna ask me, once I hit play on my screen, it's gonna say, do you want to play player by player? So each student has their own device, or if you don't have as many devices, you can make the kids as a team. But let's go ahead and go classic as a player by player because it's just myself right now. And here is the pin that all the students would have to put into their device. And the nice thing about this is that students can create nicknames like I've done for myself. That way it kind of hides their identity and they're able to focus on learning and not worry about what other people can see if they got right or wrong. So I'm going to start. And it's kind of not so good because I'm only able to see those shapes on my phone versus being able to see the question. So if students are kind of far back, they're not able to read it because these answers can only be seen on the screen and not the device. So I don't know what I just did with that. Oh, sorry. So that's if I had an uploaded image. So we'll go ahead and go to next. So the faster that you click on the right answer, the more points you'll get. The slower, the less points. So if your partner answered it right as well, they may have gotten it quicker, so that's why they got more points. So this one's going to be a true or false. PE is the best subject. I'm a physical education teacher, so that is definitely going to be true. And so I got both of mine right, and I got 1936 of my points. And we could go back to the website. And I can even go to create if I wanted to create a new one. You type your question in here. So let's just type in ABC. If you want an image, sorry for my dog. If you want an image done here, like if you did a video study and you were asking your students who the character is, you can upload a YouTube link. If you just wanted an image of like a soccer ball saying how many players are on the soccer field, and if we went ahead and did that, so could be 11, there could be 7, 5, or 1. And then I can go to next question, and I can do a quiz or true or false. And for time's sake, I'm going to just go ahead and click done. And since I clicked on the second question, it won't let me complete it. But this is Kahoot, and thanks for watching.